Letter Z. Sound off. Letter Z. Sound off.
Huh? Was it? Uh-oh. Sorry about that.
Were you sleeping, letter Z?
No, sir. I was just resting my eyes while I was waiting. I do a lot of that.
A lot of what?
Waiting. I'm the last letter of the alphabet, so I have to wait for all the other letters to have their turns.
Maybe you could find a more constructive way to kill time than sleeping. What sounds do you make, letter Z?
I'm a consonant. I make the Z sound, and only the Z sound.
Nothing else?
Nothing else, just the Z sound. As in zebra. Zebra, zebra. Z. As in zero. Zero, zero. Z. As in Zeppelin. Z. As in
Put a zipper on it, letter Z. All this talk about Z's is making me sleepy. I'm gonna go catch a few Z's myself. So line up.